Let us all welcome the cast and director of Padablagan, Director Jen Romano, Milan Estela bilang Joanne, and our lead actor as the ring, Mr. Eli Bandia.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and for today's video, pupunta ulit tayo ng Bichara Theater para manood ulit ng Padablagan dahil ngayong araw, pupunta daw si Eli Buendia. Kasali siya sa talkback ngayong araw. One day only, Eli Buendia in Naga City.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We have ignition.
Traffic pa. Sana makapasok pa tayo. Emily Arcade. Pinto Martires. Pwede na tayo mag-park dito. Kung meron, mahanap sana tayo ng parking dito. Naglalakad na lang tayo. Pwede ba dyan? Wala. Ayan ko to. So guys, naglalakad kami ngayon. So yan na, ano yung Bichara Theater, Bichara Cinema. Ngayong araw, isa lang yung ticket natin. So ako lang yung papasok.
Okay, so good morning sa Tuyagabos. Kumusta? How are you, everyone? Ngunya na Alda will be a very special screening for all of us because we get to interact with the creative force behind the film. So I am Dennis P. Gonzaga. I'll be moderator for this morning's talkback. So may we invite our special guests to join us on stage.
Let us all welcome the cast and director of Padablagan, Director Jen Romano, Milan Estela bilang Joanne, and our lead actor as the ring, Mr. Eli Bandia.
Excited for today's talkback? Yeah, sige. So, after nating mapanood yung napakagandang pelikula, yung Padablagan, sigurado meron tayong mga gustong itanong sa kwento, kung paano nabuo yung pelikula, and maybe some questions din sa ating creative force, kay Milan, kay Direct Jen, and of course kay Mr. Eli Buendia. So ano tayo, let's keep it light, let's keep it interactive.
Po na ito yung first na acting role ninyo.
Thank you very much for the question. Unang-una, maray na Aldaw sa Indogabos. I'm very happy to be back in my hometown. Salamat din sa Dalan Events for bringing me here. Regarding the question, yes, as you all know, I'm not an actor. So in preparing for the role, I had to prepare also parang technique-wise. So I read a lot of books about acting prior to this project. And then I was also lucky na the production gave out a workshop. Sinalihan din ni Direk actually. She was there sa acting workshop. So that sort of bonded us, and our AD and also the acting coach, si Ryan Morcia, was a very good acting coach. And then I guess all of it, the rest of it is parang up to the imagination na lang. And some of it I of course got from my own experience as a parent and as a father. I actually have a son, and most of the scenes involving the son, parang I substituted my own son for that.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
I mean, we know the story, but hindi ganon ka-deep yung pakakaintindi ng story. So thank you for giving us the chance na maintindihan. My question is for Sir Eli. I am curious, what was the reason why you decided to choose the independent film as your debut rather than, going mainstream?
Independent, parang I did not make that distinction naman. I accepted it mainly because of the story. I sort of related to it and found it to be very powerful. And the fact that it was set in Naga, and it's a historical story, that already made it like a no-brainer for me to accept it. And when I read the script, lalo lang akong na-convince na I wanted to be a part of it.
Thank you po.
So we were really looking for artists na may mga roots sa Bicol. So lahat ng mga cast members dito sa Padamlagan ay Bicol, may Bicol roots. Like for example, si Sue ay from Libmanan, si Floyd is from Legazpi, si Esteban Mara ay from Sorsogon. And when it comes to the cast, yung sa main lead namin, which is Doreen, we really looked for someone na mag-encapsulate doon sa parang tenderness ng character. And then, yung producer namin, si Christine, pinitch niya, what if si Ellie? Kasi naghanap talaga kami ng mga artista na may Bicol roots. So, tapos tinawagan namin siya. Tapos, very naman kami na game siya doon sa project.
Thank you. We are very proud that we have this piece of cinema dito sa atin sa Bicol. What makes Padamlagan such an experience is because it basically offers a bit of everything, and yet it succeeds in doing so much with so little. No, it could easily veer off as a religious commentary. It could easily veer off as a political commentary.
Thank you po. Thank you. Thank you. So guys, yun, sa pangalawang pagkakataon na napanood natin yung Padamlagan, nakita natin si Ellie at nakapapirma pa tayo, no? Nakapa-autograph pa tayo. So narinig rin natin yung insights niya, yung mga opinion niya about dun sa movie, kung paano niya ginampanan yung role niya as Doreen dun sa Padamlagan na movie. So guys, yun, kita ba? Yun, nakapapirma tayo kay Ellie, yung ticket natin. Salamat nga pala kay Kenneth, yung kaibigan ko na nagbigay nitong ticket. So free lang natin nakuha tong ticket. Yung last na nanood tayo, bumili tayo ng ticket. Ngayon, binigay niya to for free kasi alam niya na gusto ko makita si Ellie. Yun, maraming salamat kay Kenneth. Papagas muna tayo dahil wala na tayong gas. Salamat po. So guys, dito ko natatapusin tong video na to. Kung gusto niyo mapanood yung unang video natin, nung nanood tayo ng Padamlagan for the first time, nandyan sa description yung link. Sana sa susunod na makita natin si Ellie, kasama niya na yung buong banda. Ang tataas ng humps dito. Another minivan. So sana sa susunod na makita natin sila, magkakasama na si Marcos, Raymond, Buddy at Ellie. Isa yun sa mga pangarap natin na mapanood sila ng live, no? Na tumutugtog. Kung nagustuhan nyo itong video na to, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. At magkita-kita tayo sa susunod na video. Maraming salamat. Mabuti at naayos natin si Wade dahil kung nakaminiban tayo, for sure late tayo dun sa showing.